tell your lips don't lie when you kiss it right back. Oh my God, I can tell your lips don't lie. Lips don't lie, la 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 la. Lips don't lie, la 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 la.
First of all, we will be discussing the less expensive lip balm. So the new brand that has doing good in lip balm is Renewal Therapy from Wadi Herbals. It comes in 10, 20 multiple different flavors. It has like orange consistency. You have to put your finger in and apply on your lips. It comes really tiny, short, cute bottle. Only for rupees 37. This is how it looks like. You can always keep it in your bags and nice. You can give it a try. Next we have Vaseline lip balm. Only for rupees 5. Put your finger in, apply on your lips and you're good to go. But it is a little unhygienic, but it does the job. Next we have Bodoline, the oldest Indian brand. Again, you have to put your finger in. It comes in a little thick creamy texture, tiny little cute box, and very nominal price. Then we have got Patanjali lip balm. It comes with this like a tube with a shape like this, which is easy to apply on your lips, and this is for rupees 25. It doesn't do much job, but so let's get over all this, a little lesser expensive one, and come up to our totally bag full of lip balm. We have got 8 lip balms, and let's begin with our lip balm. Maybelline, this is the oldest packaging, and it was a nice, when we were in college we used to apply this. It's pretty cool, but now they have come up with new packaging and with more colors. So this is the new packaging of this lip balm, with a little pop, electro pop color, Maybelline New York, and it's like come in this very cute bottle and have this kind of texture. You have to keep it in the refrigerator because after some time you will feel it's getting little moist. So be careful when you are keeping it inside bag and lock the bottle properly. Now next, this is the love. If you have chapped lip balm, chapped lip, and you really want to moisturize, this is the best lip balm with vitamin E. Natural, 100% natural, 100% natural vitamin E, mineral oil, free from preservatives. So this is the best, I would suggest, out of all the 11 lip balm we have. Next we have Lakme Lip Love. It is really tasty, I would say. It's just really amazing. I wanted to try this one more time, but it got out of stock, so I opted for another Lakme Lip Love, that is this Lip Love, but it is not as good as this one, but still it does the job. But this is the Love. It is transparent but give you a very natural pink lips. This is also okay, you can give it a shot, not bad though. Next we have Baby Lips, the new one they have launched. It's in this shade watermelon. It tastes like a watermelon, and it's an okay, not that good, not that bad, nice. Then we have this. If you like little color, so go for this Maybelline Lips Alia Love New York. It have a very nice bright color and you will instantly feel good after applying this. And foremost, the last, we have Nivea with us. Nivea Lip Care, the oldest one. I've applied it many times, and it is one of the trusted and renowned brand, though they doesn't come up with this old packaging. Out of all the lip balms that we have here, the most loved one I have for now is this Himalaya Peach Lip Care. So putting it in bag, pack it up, and you're good to go.
I bet she's beautiful.